Transform your scientific imaging with the FLUOVIEW FV4000 Confocal laser scanning microscope. With the FV4000, your imaging data is clearer, more precise, and more informative. With our breakthrough SilVIR detector at the core of the system, you'll experience images with lower noise, heightened sensitivity, and enhanced high dynamic range photon counting capabilities. At the core of the FV4000 microscope is our advanced silicon-based SilVIR detector that makes it easier than ever to acquire precise, reproducible data.
今回開発したシルバーディテクターは新型半導体センサーの SiPM を採用しました。SiPM は一度に多数のフォトンを検出でき、かつ検出波長が広く、可視光から近赤外領域まで検出できます。独自に開発した高速信号処理技術を組み合わせることで、このセンサーの能力を最大限に発揮し、ハイダイナミックレンジのフォトンカウンティングによる高精度イメージングをFLUOVIEWで実現しました。
This ultra-low noise detector makes it easy to acquire vivid fluorescence images with a clear background, free of noise, without complicated adjustments. The SilVIR detector has high sensitivity from visible light to the near-infrared region, which allows you to get the high signal-to-noise images in wide wavelength range. The dynamic range is approximately 7 times wider than a standard GASP detector. This eliminates the traditional compromise between sensitivity and saturation. Now, both very bright and dim regions can be detected without saturation. The SilVIR detector sensitivity remains consistent over time. Combined with our laser power monitor, which compensates for laser power fluctuations, you can ensure reproducible images. This helps to have the stable condition for the time-lapse imaging and also to load the image conditions which you've used with the imaging in the past. The system's enhanced technologies provide expanded multiplexing to broaden the spectrum of possibilities. With near-infrared imaging, you can minimize damage during live cell imaging, increase the observation depth, and reduce autofluorescence. Our industry-leading modular laser combiners support up to 10 laser lines from 405 nanometers to 785 nanometers in parallel. The macro-to-micro workflow enables you to easily observe the target sample from the macro level, such as whole body or tissue, down to the cellular or subcellular level. The system's unique combination of advanced technologies delivers high-quality images faster than conventional laser scanning microscopes. The 1K by 1K resonant scanner at FN20 with 0.033 microseconds per pixel enables you to rapidly acquire high-resolution images with minimal noise. The result is that you can quickly acquire stitched macro-scale images with exceptional quality. The system also minimizes phototoxicity thanks to the scanner's short pixel dwell time, which reduces the time the focused laser beam rests on a single spot. The SilVIR detector's high sensitivity delivers a better signal-to-noise ratio than other detector types, producing higher quality images at higher speeds. Our AI tools enable you to take your confocal imaging to the next level. While the microscope's signal-to-noise ratio is already very good, True AI noise reduction technology can further reduce extraneous noise for stunning, data-rich resonant images, featuring pre-trained algorithms specifically designed for your confocal images. The FV4000 microscope is engineered to be modular, making it easy for you to configure the system based on your applications and budget. You can start with a standard FV4000 and easily upgrade to multi-photon imaging by adding the MPE module as your research changes. Transform your precision imaging with the FLUOVIEW FV4000 microscope and acquire higher quality quantitative image data in less time and with less effort. Thanks for watching. For more information, visit evidentscientific.com.